Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to add trusted connection in Roblox. So here follow the steps. So open Roblox app on your PC, then click on connections and then click on this plus icon on the top right corner and then click on my QR. And the next step is you can either share this QR code with your friends or you can also click on copy profile link and then you can share the link to your friends to make the trusted connections. If this steps doesn't work on the Roblox app on Windows PC, then you can follow the same steps on your Roblox app on your Android devices or iOS devices. So open Roblox app on your mobile phone. Then click on connections. Then click on the plus icon at the top right corner and then click on add from QR code. And then next step to share the QR code with your friends, or you can also click on the share profile link and then you can share the profile link to your friends to add the connections. So I hope by following this step you can easily add trusted connections in Roblox. So that's all for this video.